Welcome to my Bootstrap course. By help of latest version of Bootstrap, you will be able to create web design and responsive websites. My bachelor degree is System Engineering in Azerbaijan State Oil and Industry University. I'm a web developer in Azerbaijan and use PHP CodeIgniter and Laravel frameworks. To design, Bootstrap is my favorite. Also, I use JavaScript frameworks to make my tasks easily. My first job is junior programmer in Destek LLC. Second, full stack web developer in data marketing. And third one is backend developer in MediaTouch. Since 2017, I had started to work instructor in Udemy platform. Finally, I have set up my own business which is called Hasimov Studio. People who are seeking to learn front-end development with Bootstrap can get my course. At the end of course, you will gain front-end knowledge to create web pages. You will be able to create a responsive, stunning web page which can grab customer and company's attention. That's useful to save time developing. My teaching method is straightforward and I try to make compact, comprehensive lessons which everyone can understand easily. The ideal student for this course is junior web developer and UI/UX designers to learn Bootstrap. Basic HTML, CSS and JavaScript knowledge is required. Feel free to look through course description and syllabus.